Do you know that an average person typically wastes about 3 hours per day by doing nothing? This amounts to approximately 21 hours per week, which can be used to do something else like learning new skills and working a part-time job. If this is relatable to you, then this video might be able to help you. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's focus on the short-term way of investing your time and money. The short term usually means that you receive the value from your investment almost immediately. When it comes to time, one of the short-term activities you can do to earn value is by building good habits. For example, if you do exercises for at least 30 minutes, then you're already investing by improving your body. If you read informative books and learn new things for at least an hour every day, then you're slowly creating a library of knowledge for yourself little by little. If you practice writing or speaking for at least 10 minutes a day, then you're slowly building an important skill or talent you can use to communicate with others. Basically, when it comes to time, you can use increments of your day to build a routine that will help you grow and build value for yourself. This may be boring as days go by, especially when there are other tempting activities. However, if you break your streak of building good habits, then chances are it would be quite difficult for you to return. If you watched our videos before, you should already know that if you want to become rich, you have to be consistent and persistent. You must be able to persevere through the challenges, and this includes the urge to do nothing. So, if you have the urge to procrastinate or just do nothing, remember your goals and push through. On the other hand, when it comes to money, what you can do is increase your leverage. Leverage is a strategy wherein you use borrowed funds for an investment with the expectation that the earnings will exceed the cost of the interest. For example, if you own a printing shop, it would be good for you to buy a printer that can print much faster and with better output. You can also choose to integrate photography into your shop. This way, you're not just a place where people go to print things, but also to shoot pictures on. Leverage in this kind of business does not only come in physical forms like printers and cameras, but can also appear as useful applications such as premium photo editing software. As opposed to the short-term investment of money and time, medium-term investments are a bit longer. The medium term usually takes from 2 months to up to 3 years. For the money aspect, one of the best ways you can do to make value in the medium term is to educate yourself. Use your money and invest in yourself by participating in workshops, attending seminars, and getting involved in programs. This way, you can gain certificates that can build your work portfolio and improve your chances of successfully obtaining a high-paying job. For example, if you are a certified programmer, then you have better chances of getting hired and promoted instead of those who have none. This does not only benefit employees but also entrepreneurs who are looking to expand their businesses. If you have a facial spa, then you might be interested in makeup and aesthetics. If you attend some workshops, then you can use your certificates to build your reputation and convince people that you are competent with what you're doing. Moving on to the aspect of time. Aside from building your knowledge, you also build your experience. Even if you have ample experience, if you are used to old or outdated ways, then you would not be able to keep up with the gradual improvement of technology. For example, suppose a makeup artist practiced doing brows and lips for 3 years and had an ample amount of customers in the past already. Looking at the news, there seem to be new developments such as permanent eyebrows and lipsticks. If they were expensive before, then due to the continuous progress of technology, they became more affordable now. With this, more and more customers availed for permanent makeup. Therefore, the makeup artists sought to learn this new method and build experience. In time, instead of the business stagnating, it grew much more, returning more money and making more value out of the makeup artist's time. In short, always think that you're a work in progress. If you choose to build your experience, then you will be a much better, more improved version of yourself compared to before. As for the long term, it means a minimum of a decade. When it comes to long-term investments of money, stocks usually come to mind. The reason for this is that it had been proven effective for a long time already. Stocks offer many benefits. Other than huge investment returns, you don't need a financial degree to succeed. You may spend a lot of time studying the stock market and become an excellent stock analyst, but you can also just choose a simpler, more affordable option, such as those that follow the S&P 500. You also don't need to have a loaded wallet to start. However, the stock market is volatile. It does not always just go straight up. Along the way, there will undoubtedly be downtrends. Therefore, you must have the courage to not panic and sell low. Other than that, you are at risk of losing most or even all of your money if you don't know what you're doing. Now that the market is experiencing a recession, it might be the best time to buy low. Do note that this is not a piece of financial advice and that you still have to do your own research. Since there's a long-term investment of money, then a good way to use your time long-term is by taking care of your health. Your older, senior self will thank you a lot because you took care of yourself when you were young. Just imagine being rich, but you can't enjoy things because you're sick. You might suffer some joint pains that hinder you from traveling around the world. You might even get necessary surgical operations due to your condition that can prevent you from being happy. What's worse is working hard to get rich so that you can achieve your dreams only to disappoint yourself in the future because you're incapable of doing so. Don't let your efforts go to waste and always take care of yourself so you can enjoy your investments to the fullest. As always, if you want to become rich, you should be able to effectively handle your time and money. Don't let them go to waste because they are very limited resources. The better you are at time and money management, the sooner you reach the finish line. You're welcome to comment your thoughts down below. If you like our content and have helped you in your money-making strategies, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.